Good afternoon, everybody. Still recovering from a wild day in the markets. Black Monday, black crude. Maybe they'll call it Black Monday, WTI. Big hit in the oil markets with the price war between Saudi and the Russians. Oil was down over 30% at one point, touched as low as about 27.50, and all the virus fears, the pandemic. This could be a short-term bottom. Probably get a bounce off of that. But that's not what this video is about. I actually just got in two recent pickups in the mail. Thought I'd just do a quick little video on it. Got another one from Monument Metals, and these look pretty good. So that was these coins right here. Oops, spoiler. I've been really curious about these. Here we have the 2-ounce Royal Canadian Mint Goose, I guess you'd call it. And I don't know if I like the way the Monument Metals packages these. They always put 2 coins in one slip. Not a huge fan of that, but I'll tell you what, these coins look pretty darn good in my opinion. See if I can get some good angles on it for you. There we go. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with these. They don't have those radial lines, the security feature, so they're more of an old school aesthetic. And the Canada Goose, I believe they had it on an anniversary edition of the Canadian silver dollar in the 60s. I don't think I have one of those, but this does look pretty good in my opinion. Then on the reverse, you just got the queen, and same thing. It's got that kind of matte. It's like almost a brushed, a smooth, polished brush type finish, just like the old ones from a long time ago. So it looks pretty good. And look at that, they got $10 face, very nice. Because as we all know, the Canadian peso is depreciating rapidly. They're going to need those higher face values over there in Canada, just like we will in the US pretty soon. But very nice coin. Numi Stacker, he did a video on these, and I gotta agree, the quality control on these are a little bit of a premium. They're more than the Royal Mounted Police Anniversary 2-ounce that they came out with, or even the Kraken coins that they've come out with recently. But I think the quality is there, kind of as like a higher end bullion coin. They're not outrageous, but there is a bit of a premium. I really like it. Nice polished edges. He was commenting on that. Sometimes on the Queen's Beast from the UK, you do get some little ridges that are pretty sharp. The way that they make the way they stamp them, I guess, and put on the reading. These are just really nice. And the other amazing thing, of course, they've got that mint shield technology. So we're going back to the smooth brushed finish. And guess what? There's no milk spot, so it's like the best of all worlds. Now, I did pick up a 2020, just because I don't have one yet. So I just have a regular old 2020 maple. And this one, of course, as we know, has got the security features, all that good stuff. Can't say I'm crazy about them, but it is what it is, right? Pretty nice though, good quality. And then I threw in also a random year Eagle. So 2013, not bad. And I know I said a couple months ago with these gold prices I wasn't going to be buying any more gold, but I lied. So I picked up a 20 franc rooster. And actually, let me get it out of here. Take a closer look at it without cutting my finger off, preferably. Let's see. Did we blow it? Try again. Come on. Nice. Very nice, huh? Yeah, let's check it out. Now, I've got bad lighting over here at the moment. It looks a little bit bronzy, maybe a little ruddy from the copper color in it. But I'm pretty pleased. Guess I'm making a little bit of a 20 franc collection. I got the old Napoleon III versions, definitely pretty circulated. And I picked up one of the Helvetian Swiss 20 francs, another very nice coin. But I gotta say, the craftsmanship on this one, I really like it. As a coin enthusiast, I think this has a lot of positive features. I really like the look of Lady Liberty there, if that's what they call her, the French Marianne. I mean, that's top notch. Top notch coin design. Just as good as any American coin, really. It's got that French Liberty cap. And I'm not an expert on it. But, what else? Can you see, you can't see it great on this angle. Let me flip it over. Check the other side. Alright, so we got the French rooster, which I guess is really big in France. Part of their culture, their national psyche. They really like the cock or the rooster. Let's keep it clean, but very nice. Liberté, égalité, et fraternité. 20 francs. 1909. 1909, right? Ouais. Here's what I want to point out around the edge. It has a very nice pattern. I really like that. It's almost like the denticles you might see on other coins, but it's more complex. In fact, I think if you look at a Standing Liberty quarter from America, I think they have a similar motif, like a rope pattern around the edge. This kind of reminds me of that. I really like it though. And now, for some reason, I'm not getting a good shot. There we go, not bad. But yeah, very cool. 90% gold. So, that was what I got from Monument Metals. And so everything was down in the markets today except gold. Gold held its own. That's always good to see. Silver took a bit of a hit. I think silver will hopefully do good. I say that because I'm way overweight on silver, but that's partly why I'm starting to buy more gold right now. And my plan is to transfer more into gold as the ratio goes down, but right now the gold-silver ratio is almost at 100. And so the last part, now this was on a whim. I was listening on the radio in the morning, and one of these precious metals dealers had an ad. You could get a free American Silver Eagle. Call in now. So I wrote the number down. I called after work, and yeah, he was trying to sell a product, trying to get you to roll your retirement account over to their precious metal IRAs, but you just had to pay shipping, and it was expensive, $10 shipping, but they'd give you a free American Silver Eagle, so you're getting one for $10. I said, what the heck, yeah, sign me up. Send me your material, your brochures, I don't really care. And it was fast shipping. It was like 2 days. I guess I did it Friday, and it came on Monday. But either they made a mistake, or I think they did. They'd actually sent me two. So I'm kind of sorry to tell you guys. Looks like I got two of these Eagles for $10 total. So $5 each. Don't tell the company I bought them from. They also threw in these cool little pouches. So I got two of those. I think I'll put my gold in one of them. But yeah, two more. And these are also 2020s. Oop, there's the company. Don't tell them they sent me two, huh? Very nice coin though. So two more American Silver Eagles. And it was funny actually with the market mayhem. You could kind of tell on Sunday that something was going to break. We had news about the oil market. So I put in a quick bid before the markets opened Sunday before 6 p.m. Eastern. And I did another small order from Monument. They had a deal on half-ounce polar bears from Royal Canadian Mint. But of course, silver tanked like 3 or 4% since then. But you know what? It's not a big deal. I know a couple people think silver and gold might get dragged down in this big deflation event, and that's true. So I'm going to be very cautious on my pickups, but I think it's never a bad time to be nibbling. $100 here, $100 there, a couple times a month. But if we get a big drop, I'll definitely keep my eyes open for any deals. Anyways, hope you guys all had a good day, and like I said, wild times in the markets. So be careful, everyone. Peace.